We're here to talk about Amazon Associates. We're here to talk about being an influencer, okay, and what it takes to be an influencer. And we're going to talk about being an Amazon influencer because Amazon already has the name. You don't have to hard sell people to sell Amazon products. They automatically know that they're gonna get good quality products. They're gonna have good return policy, that if they don't like it for any reason at all, they can return it. So there's security in ordering stuff from Amazon. Most people order from Amazon that do online ordering. It's the way of the future, ordering online. People aren't going to stores. Stores are closing right and left, and people are ordering everything online. And Amazon pretty much corners the market on it. So what do you need to do? So how do people make money? How do people make money with Amazon, right? They become influencers. They become affiliates for Amazon, where they can sell products for Amazon and they'll get a commission. So if you use, let's say, a toaster, and you fall in love with this toaster, it's a 4-slice toaster. It has all the settings. It has a warmer on it. It has everything. It's the greatest toaster in the world. People do a review video on it on either Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, and they put an affiliate link in the description or in the wherever, and affiliate link, so that it's an Amazon link, and it's cookie to you, so that when they click the link and go to Amazon, you sent them there. So now they're cookie to you for 24 hours, and whatever they buy for 24 hours, you're going to get a commission. And it's not a huge commission. It's like, between 1% and 4%, depending on the category. I think like most things are like 1% or 2%, but you're trading that low commission for the Amazon name, and the trust factor. So Amazon. So how do you become an Amazon associate? They call it Amazon associate. So it's affiliate marketing. Have I talked to you about affiliate marketing? Do you know what affiliate marketing is? Affiliate marketing is OPP. Okay, OPP. Have you heard about OPP? OPP. Are you down with OPP? OPP is other people's products. Get out with OPP. Get out with OPP. Okay, other people's products, and it's selling other people's products for a commission. Okay, so just like any other salesman, most salesmen don't own what they're selling. They're going to sell it. It doesn't belong to them. They're going to sell it. They're going to get a commission. Affiliate marketing is doing that. You promote stuff with either ads online, whether it's Google ads, Facebook ads, or YouTube ads, or whatever ads. There's all kinds. There's Bing. There's Snapchat. There's Instagram. Every social media has their own ads, right? So and you promote said product, and when people click the link and go to the website, you're going to get a commission, and that's affiliate marketing. All right. And so you take it one step further with an influencer. So an influencer has influence over his audience, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, or now Amazon. So when you're an influencer, you have influence over your audience, and they're gonna you can sway them and get them to order a product from you based on a review. Okay, an honest review where you say, hey, I use this item, I love this item, and there's a link in the description if you're interested in getting the item. Here's how I use the item. Here's the end product, right? It's true. So every time you tell a friend about something, hey, I bought this here. Hey, I saw this movie. That's what you're doing. Basically, is you're endorsing people, other products to people that you have faith in. And that's what affiliate marketing is. But why not get paid to do that? Why not make some money to do that? So if you're using a certain chainsaw all the time, clearing land in your yard, you could do a video on the chainsaw, show how to use the chainsaw, and put the link to the description for the chainsaw, and people buy the chainsaw, and you get so many percent commission, right? So a salesman basically is solving people's problems. So you how do you make money doing affiliate marketing is you find an audience, you find out what problem they're having, and then you offer them a solution through affiliate marketing, right? Whether that's a cream or a software or a pill or a course or a video, it'll be something that would solve a problem for them. You've solved the problem. Now you're an influencer. You've solved their problem. They're going to believe what you say, and they're going to buy stuff from you, and based on what you recommend, because you've already recommended something that worked for them. And that's how people become influencers, and that's how you build an audience. You build your audience through trust, right? And then you solve their problem, and then It's the law of reciprocity. Basically, reciprocity is, if you do something for me, I feel obligated to do something back for you. So when you solve someone's problem, they're indebted to you. They feel like they owe you something. They're gonna be glad to do something for you if you steer them in the right direction with a call to action. You can get them to do stuff, because it's not you're not really, you've already given them value. Okay, remember, it's all about giving them value. You want to give them value. All right, value, value, value. So first of all, you would need a niche if you're going to be an influencer, and that could be anything. That could be a sport, an activity, a hobby, a profession. It could be basically anything where there's an audience. So now with the internet, all of these groups of people are all out there, that whatever they do, the people who like this flower, the people who like this dog, the people who like this tree, the people who like the bees, the people who like this. There's all these groups of people, and that's a niche, right? There's people who like certain types of dance. There's people who like certain types of music. There's people who like, and all of these things are niches, and you can niche down in the niches. So music would be the broad niche, and you would go down into the disciplines to jazz, or you could do bass guitar riffs, or what. You can narrow it down to the very, very small, so that you can get a targeted audience. And then once you get that targeted audience and you solve their problem, you're an influencer. It's that simple. It's that simple. The fastest growing small business model in the United States coming up is going to be a content creator. People who do this at home in the middle of the night, in the middle of the morning, no matter what shift they work at, like whether they could work the 4 to 12 shift, they could work the 12 to 8 shift, and come home any time of the day and do this and make money doing this with their computer, being an influencer, right? Creating content in your room, on your computer, in your office, wherever you are, wherever you have an internet. You could be in the car, on a train, in a plane. I sound like Dr. Seuss, but anywhere there's internet, you can work and you can create content, and you put affiliate links in your content, and you make money because you're recommending products to people would get. Now, again, be sure that you're recommending good products, because you're going to ruin your name if you recommend bad products, right? So you got to recommend good products.